Good morning, children. How are you all? You have written your unit test proper? Good. Do reading practice in house? Okay. Today we will start our new lesson 8. Lesson name is वे दिन भी क्या दिन थे. वे दिन भी क्या दिन थे. वे means those. Here वे means those. Din means day. Kya means what. And again the means was. So someone is there in this chapter who has wrote this story. He is just thinking about his old age. Okay. His old days he is thinking. What was that day? Okay. This story is about modern life and old life. Okay. Modern life and older life. Writer is thinking after 50 years how people's life will be there, how will be school life. So in this story they are going to say. Okay, I'll read and I will translate for you. So this is the story, means old days how it was, and after 50 years what will be time, how our life will be there, how will be students life and how will be the school life. Okay. वे दिन भी क्या दिन थे. How was that day? So writer is writing. घटना महत्वपूर्ण थी, वरना कुम्मी अपनी डायरी में उसे क्यों लिखती. Okay. कुम्मी, some girl is there. Okay. कुम्मी, some girl is there. So maybe that incident was very important. Otherwise, why someone will write in their diary? Okay, diary, that is a personal people. Some people, they are having the diary and their personal thing, daily what is happening in their life, whatever they feel, they are writing in their diary. So Kummi, one girl is there. She is writing in her diary that particular day. अपनी डायरी में उसने 17 मई 2155 की रात को लिखा. आज रोहित को सचमुच की एक पुस्तक मिली है. सो कुम्मी, वन गर्ल इज देयर एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ 17 मई 2155. ओके, दिस इज योर 2022 बट दिस इज द स्टोरी someone has written 2155. Okay, so she is writing in a diary. Today Rohit, one boy is there, he got one book. वह पुस्तक बहुत पुरानी थी. That book was very old. कुम्मी के दादा ने बताया था कि जब वे बहुत छोटे थे तब उनके दादा ने कहा था कि उनके जमाने में सारी कहानियां कागज पर छपती और पढ़ी जाती थीं. सो कुम्मी, दादा मीन्स ग्रैंडफादर. Kummi girl is there, her grandfather, he told, okay, in his time all stories were printed on a paper and people are reading that paper. पुस्तकों में पृष्ठ होते थे जिन पर कहानियां छपी होती थीं. And in that book lot of pages was there, in that story was printed. Okay, and lot of pages is there, you have to turn the page and you have to read. हर पृष्ठ पढ़ने के पश्चात दूसरा पृष्ठ पलटकर आगे पढ़ना होता था. When one page will finish, you have to turn another page, then you have to read. सारे शब्द स्थिर रहते थे. All letter will be stable. चलते नहीं थे, इट्स नॉट मूविंग. जैसे आजकल पर्दे पर चलते हैं. लाइक नाउ अ डेज कंप्यूटर इज देयर, मोबाइल इज देयर, यू आर रीडिंग एंड जस्ट यू विल डू फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड, सो इट विल गो ना. बट इन योर बुक इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. वन पेज यू विल फिनिश एंड यू हैव टू गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज, यू हैव टू टर्न द पेज. रोहित ने कहा था कितनी पुस्तकें बेकार जाती होंगी. रोहित टोल्ड, people when they are studying with book, lot of book will be waste, paper will be waste. एक बार पढ़ी और फिर बेकार हो गई. वन राउंड यू हैव रीड एंड आफ्टर दैट इज देयर इज नो यूज. अब तो हमारे टेलीविजन के पर्दे पर न जाने कितनी पुस्तकों की सामग्री आ जाती है. एंड नाउ डेज इन आवर कंप्यूटर ऑन इंटरनेट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इज देयर, डाटा इज देयर. और फिर भी यह पुस्तक नई की नई रहती है. एंड that data, that story in computer, what is there, always it will be new and there is no wastage. कुम्मी ने भी रोहित की हाँ में हाँ मिलाई and कुम्मी also was agree with his रोहित thought. फिर पूछा then ask, तुम्हें वह पुस्तक कहाँ मिली? and again कुम्मी ask, where did you get that book? रोहित ने बताया, अपने घर में एक पुराना डिब्बा कहीं दबा पड़ा था, उसको फेंक रहे थे कि उसमें से यह पुस्तक मिली. He is saying in store room some old box was there. I was trying to throw. In that I saw this book and I got it. इसमें क्या लिखा है? What has written here in that book? स्कूलों के बारे में लिखा है. स्कूल, कुम्मी ने प्रश्न किया. So Rohit told about the school. In this book it's written there. So Kummi is surprised about the school. कुम्मी ने प्रश्न किया, उसके विषय में लिखने को है ही क्या? हर विद्यार्थी के घर में एक मशीन होती है जिसमें टेलीविजन की तरह का एक पर्दा होता है. रोज नियमित रूप से उसके सामने बैठना पड़ता है. सो कुम्मी इज आस्किंग अबाउट द स्कूल, व्हाट इज स्पेशल टू राइट? Every student in every house, for student there is one machine on a fixed timing, one decided time. You have to sit in front of that machine. बैठकर हमें सब याद करना होता है जो वह मशीन हमें बताती है. सारा गृह कार्य करके दूसरे दिन उस मशीन में डाल देना होता है. सो कुम्मी इज सेइंग अबाउट दैट मशीन, वॉट एवर इट इज इन हर हाउस. शी इज सेइंग जस्ट यू sit in front of the machine, whatever orders will give we have to memorize, and next day what homework is there we have to write and we have to feed them again. हमारी गलतियां बताकर फिर वह हमें समझाती है. If in our homework we have done any mistake, machine will read and she will say here you have done the mistake and again she will teach. एक विषय पूरा होने पर वह मशीन हमारी परीक्षा लेकर हमें आगे पढ़ाना आरंभ कर देती है. And when one lesson is finished, one small exam will be there, online we will give exam and again next lesson will start. कहते कहते कुम्मी थक गई थी. अंत में बोली, कितना उबाऊ होता है यह सारा स्कूल का काम. and saying she become bored and she saying, oh my god, this machine work is so bore. I don't want to read this type of lesson. रोहित मुस्कुराते हुए उसकी बातें सुन रहा था. रोहित was smiling and he is listening to कुम्मी. अरे बुद्धू, जैसे स्कूल का वर्णन इस पुस्तक में है वह इससे भिन्न होता था. सो रोहित इज सेइंग, नो, अरे बुद्धू मीन्स ओ फूल, विच टाइप ऑफ स्कूल written in this book that is totally different with our school. Okay? उन स्कूलों के बारे में लिखा है जो सदियों पहले होते थे. In this book they have written about that school what is 100 years before. कुम्मी के मन में कुछ उत्सुकता जगी. बोली, फिर भी उनके यहाँ मशीन के बने अध्यापक तो होते ही होंगे. So she is saying, हाँ, maybe that school was totally different, but maybe teacher was like a machine only, ना? Machine only is teaching to that children. कुम्मी को याद आया कि एक बार जब उसने भूगोल में रोज वही गलतियां होने लगी थीं, तो उसकी माँ ने मोहल्ले के अध्यक्ष को बताया था. सो कुम्मी जस्ट सी इज मेमोराइजिंग. वन, भूगोल मीन्स जियोग्राफी. Once when geography class some mistake continuous it was repeating. So in the society one person was there who know about that machine means technician. She told to that person he has come और उसने एक मशीन के पुर्जे अलग अलग कर दिए थे. And he has come, he has opened that machine. तब उसने मन ही मन यह मनाया था कि वह आदमी इस बोर करने वाले अध्यापक को पुनः जोड़ न पाए. That time Kummi was thinking, oh my god, he has opened that machine, na? He should not do in a proper way. This boring teacher, boring machine should not get ready again. तो हमेशा के लिए छुट्टी मिल जाए. Then I will be get rid of this. लेकिन उस आदमी ने मशीन को फिर से जोड़कर उसकी माँ को बताया था. But the technician again he has attached that machine proper. He has rectified and he told to his mother, लगता है मशीन के भूगोल की चक्की की कुछ तेज रफ्तार थी. सो आपकी लड़की के लिए उसे समझना कठिन हो गया था. He told to his mother, maybe that geography software was little fast and your daughter is not able to understand. So now that machine means that software speed I have done little slow. I hope now she will understand proper. और कुम्मी को उसी समय भूगोल का सबक सीखने बैठ जाना पड़ा. एंड सेम टाइम कुम्मी हैज सिट देयर टू स्टडी हर जियोग्राफी. मन ही मन वह उस मशीनी अध्यापक को कोसती रही. एंड इनसाइड ओनली शी इज थिंकिंग, हाउ इज दैट मशीन वेरी बोरिंग. तभी रोहित ने कुम्मी के सोचने के सिलसिले को तोड़ा. एंड when Kummi was thinking about that incident, Rohit interrupt, बोला, हाँ तब अध्यापक तो होते थे परंतु मशीन नहीं, स्त्रियां और पुरुष होते थे. Okay, so Rohit told, yeah, teacher was there that time, 100 years before teacher was there, but that was not a machine. Man and woman was there as a teacher. क्या कहा, कोई स्त्री या पुरुष इतने सारे विषय हमें कैसे सिखा सकता है. सो कुम्मी गॉट सरप्राइज. शी इज सेइंग, व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, एनी मैन और वुमेन, हाउ दिस मैनी सब्जेक्ट दे कैन टीच अस. क्यों नहीं, व्हाई नॉट. वह बच्चों को सारे विषय समझाते थे. या व्हाई नॉट, दे आर टीचिंग ऑल सब्जेक्ट टू स्टूडेंट्स. गृह कार्य देते थे और प्रश्न पूछते थे. दे आर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चंस एंड दे आर गिविंग द होमवर्क आल्सो. अध्यापक बच्चों के घर नहीं जाते थे. टीचर्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टूडेंट्स हाउस, बल्कि बच्चे एक विशेष भवन में जाते थे जिसे स्कूल कहते थे. सो टीचर इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टूडेंट्स हाउस. स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग इन अ स्पेशल बिल्डिंग दैट इज नोन एज अ स्कूल. कुम्मी का अगला प्रश्न था, तो क्या सब बच्चे एक समय में एक जैसी ही चीजें सीखते थे. So Kummi is asking next question. So all children in one time they are learning one things. हाँ, एक आयु के बच्चे एक साथ बैठते थे. Yes, one age all children are sitting together. लेकिन माँ कहती है कि मशीनी अध्यापक हर बच्चे को की समझ के अनुसार पढ़ाता है. But Kummi is asking, but my mummy is saying that electronic teacher as per children's brain, as per their understanding only machine is teaching. फिर पुराने जमाने में यह कैसे संभव होता था. So how you are saying in old time it was possible? Because machine is teaching as per our understanding. तब वे लोग इस प्रकार नहीं करते थे. रहने दो, तुम्हारी इच्छा नहीं है तो वह पुस्तक तुम्हें नहीं दूंगा. So Rohit got little irritated. He is saying, okay, leave it. If you are not interested to listen, I will not show you that book. कुम्मी झट बोली, नहीं नहीं, मैं उसे पढ़ना चाहूंगी. नो नो, आई वॉन्ट टू रीड दैट बुक. तब स्कूल कैसे होते थे, कितनी अजीब अजीब बातें जानने को मिलेंगी. नो, आई वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट दैट बुक. हाउ वॉज दैट स्कूल दैट टाइम एंड वॉट वॉज द डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन दैट. इतने में अंदर से माँ की आवाज सुनकर कुम्मी बोली. दे आर टॉकिंग दिस मच ओनली टिल हर मदर कॉल हर. ओके, लगता है सबक का समय हो गया है. आई होप स्टडी टाइम स्टार्टेड. रोहित भी उठा और अपने घर की ओर चला गया. रोहित आल्सो गेट अप एंड ही हैज गॉन टू हिज हाउस. कुम्मी अपने घर की ओर चली गई और कुम्मी वेंट टू हर रूम. अंदर मशीन आगे का सबक देने को तैयार थी. एंड हर मशीन वॉज रेडी टू टीच नेक्स्ट लेसन। मशीन से आवाज आनी आरंभ हो गई एंड फ्रॉम मशीन बीपिंग स्टार्ट। आज सबसे पहले तुम्हें गणित सीखना है। फर्स्ट यू विल लर्न मैथ। गणित मीन्स मैथ। फर्स्ट क्लास विल बी मैथ। कल का होमवर्क छेद में डालो एंड यस्टरडे होमवर्क प्लीज फीड। कुम्मी ने वैसा ही किया एंड एज पर मशीन इंस्ट्रक्शन कुम्मी हैज डन लाइक दैट। वह सोच रही थी कि कितने अच्छे होते होंगे वे स्कूल जहां एक ही आयु के सारे बच्चे हंसते खेलते कूदते स्कूल जाते होंगे। एंड कुम्मी वॉज थिंकिंग हाउ दैट स्कूल विल बी गुड where one age all children are going, they are laughing, playing and sitting in a school। और पढ़ाने वाले पुरुष और स्त्रियां होते होंगे and teacher will be man or woman instead of machine। इतने में मशीन से स्वर आना आरंभ हो गया था एंड टिल सी इज थिंकिंग मशीन स्टार्ट टू गिव द बीप। और पर्दे पर चलते हुए अक्षर एवं अंक आने शुरू हो गए थे एंड टिल हर मैथ क्लासेज है स्टार्ट। और कुम्मी सोच रही थी कि तब स्कूल जाने में कितना आनंद आता होगा, कितने खुश रहते होंगे सारे बच्चे। एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टडिंग कुम्मी वॉज थिंकिंग the time maybe the time will be so good, people children love to go to school, all children will be too much happy। Okay children, so in the story just they have shown after, see now you are going to school, okay, you are going to school, teachers are teaching you, all children sitting together laughing, okay, laughing playing together, but now see online classes is there for you। So this lesson is very much good for your understanding this lesson। Last year how you are going and this year how you are studying, see what is difference in that, okay। Last year you are getting up, going to school, teacher is teaching, homework is coming, you are playing with your friends, one time you are going doing prayer, but now what happened, same thing in your mobile, morning message will come, you have to read as per your wish, whenever you want you are reading। Okay children, so this is your lesson, you understand good। Now next we will go for word meaning। Okay children, now we will go for lesson 8 word meaning। घटना, घटना means incident, घटना means incident, INCIDENT, इंसिडेंट मीन्स घटना। पुरानी, पुरानी, पुरानी मीन्स ओल्ड, पुरानी मीन्स ओल्ड। कहानियां, कहानियां, कहानियां मीन्स स्टोरीज, STORIES, स्टोरीज मीन्स कहानियां। छपती, छपती, छपती मीन्स प्रिंट, छपती मीन्स प्रिंट, PRINT, प्रिंट। पृष्ठ, पेज, PAJE, पेज, पेज मीन्स पृष्ठ। उबाऊ, उबाऊ मीन्स बोरिंग, BOARING, बोरिंग मीन्स उबाऊ। सदियों, सदियों, सदियों मीन्स सेंचुरी, 100 years before, 100 years before। भूगोल, भूगोल, भूगोल मीन्स जियोग्राफी, भूगोल मीन्स जियोग्राफी, जियोग्राफी और स्टडिंग ना इन सोशल साइंस, सो जियोग्राफी। गति, गति, गति नहीं गति, छोटी ई की मात्रा। स्पीड, SPEED, स्पीड। धीमी, 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 स्लो, धीमी मीन्स स्लो। आशा, आशा मीन्स होप, HOPE, होप, होप मीन्स आशा। विषय, 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 विषय मीन्स सब्जेक्ट, lot of subject is there na, math, science, geography, language, okay, that all are subject, विषय। आयु, आयु means age, different age people will be there, children are there, 10 year, 12 year, 15 year, 5 year, all are age. Age means आयु. गणित, गणित means mathematics. Mathematics, okay? Mathematics in Hindi we will say गणित. Geography in Hindi we will say भूगोल. स्वर, स्वर means voice. स्वर means voice. One more round we will read. घटना, घटना means incident. घटना means incident. पुरानी, old. कहानियां, stories. छपती, print. पृष्ठ, page. उबाऊ, boring. सदियों, सेंचुरी. भूगोल, जियोग्राफी. गति, स्पीड. धीमी, स्लो. आशा, होप. विषय, सब्जेक्ट. आयु, एज. गणित, मैथमेटिक्स. स्वर, वॉइस. So this is your word meaning. Same thing you have to copy in your classwork, children. Now we will go for question answer. Okay, some question I have changed for you and I have make easy. Okay, same thing as I told, this is a NCERT book. Nothing is in your book. We have to think and we have to write. So whatever I am teaching, your book exercise, neatly you write in your classwork. Okay, otherwise you can't search anything in book. Okay children, some questions I have to make by own and answer also I have to write by own, because we have to think and write in this book. So neatly you write your whatever I am teaching. Okay, so shall we start? कुम्मी के हाथ जो किताब आई वह कब छपी होगी. So कुम्मी, what books he got means Rohit show him one book what his grandfather has written and that book was 100-year old. So when that book has printed, कुम्मी के हाथ जो किताब आई वह कब छपी होगी. कुम्मी के हाथ जो किताब आई वह अभी छपी होगी. Okay, so that is not an old book. Kumbi, what she is reading the book, that is not an old book. Just who is the writer? He has imagined and write. Okay, writer has just imagined to see this world after 50 years. How will be school and his time? How was the school? Okay, how was the school and after 50 years how will be the school? How machines are affecting our society? People are getting habitual. So just writer has imagined and write. Okay, his time how was the school and after 50 years how will be the school. So what book is there? That will be latest print. Okay, that will be latest print. So अभी कुम्मी के हाथ जो किताब आई वह अभी छपी होगी. अभी means at present only that has printed. कागज के पन्नों की किताब या टेलीविजन वाली किताब तुम किसे पसंद करोगे. Which book you like? You like your book, what is paper book or electronic book, what you are reading on internet, on mobile or computer. Okay, so which book you like? मैं कागज की किताब पसंद करूंगा. I like paper book क्योंकि इसे आसानी से ले जा सकते हैं. Because this paper book easily you can carry anywhere, wherever you want you can open and read. और कोई बिजली की जरूरत भी नहीं होगी इसे पढ़ने के लिए. If machine book is there, you have to carry full book. Full machine wherever you are going, you have to carry. That will be very much big, like your computer or computer. If you are carrying, it will be heavy, and everywhere electricity is not there where you can put. There is no electricity required. Okay. So I like to read paper book. Okay, easily you can carry anywhere and any electricity not required for that. कागज से पहले की छपाई किस किस चीज पर होती थी? Before paper printing, where people are writing. where people are writing. कागज से पहले की छपाई भोजपत्रों, भोजपत्रों मीन्स बिग बिग लीफ इज देयर, ओके, पीपल आर drawing that leaf and they are writing with ink on that. छालों, छालों means skin, tree skin will be there na, on that also people are writing. लकड़ी और धातु से बने पत्रों पर होती थी, big big wood will be there, okay, on wood they will make like a flat, like a table is there na, they will make thin and they will write on that. Otherwise धातु से बने पत्रों, metal sheet will be there, on that paper people will write, okay, they will make symbol for some messages. So कागज से पहले की छपाई भोजपत्रों, छालों, लकड़ी और धातु से बने पत्रों पर होती थी. So for this lesson this is your 3 question answer, okay. Read proper, memorize and neatly write in your class work. See children, here they are asking the question, वस्तुओं के दाम और 20 साल पहले के दाम. दाम means price. They are saying think. Now what is the price of thing and 20 years before what was the price of things. How much changes is there in the price, okay. So दाम means price, vastu means things. So here some things I have written. 20 years before just approx, okay, just imagination or just approx price I have written, that is not the correct price. And what at present price is there for same thing. See the changes, okay. This also same thing you write in your classwork. 20 years before and now what is the price, you can see. Aloo, aloo means potato, aloo means potato. Aloo 20 years before price was 2 rupee for 1 kg, okay. Potato was 2 rupee kg, 1 kg potato 2 rupee. Laddu, laddu was 15 rupee kg, okay. 1 kg laddu you can get in 15 rupee. Shakkar, shakkar means sugar, shakkar means sugar. Sugar was 5 rupee per kg, 1 kg sugar was 5 rupee. Dal, dal means pulses, okay. Tur dal, urad dal, moong dal, okay. That was 10 rupee per kg. Chawal, chawal means rice. Rice also was 10 rupee per kg, good rice. Doodh was 5 rupee per liter. In 5 rupee or 7 rupee you can get 1 liter good milk. Now after 20 years same thing, price how it has changed. Now potato is 50 rupee kg, okay. Potato is 50 rupee kg. Laddu is rupees 350 rupee per kg. Shakkar is 45 rupee kg, okay. Shakkar is 45 rupee kg. Sugar, dal is 120 rupee kg. Chawal 50 rupee kg. Chawal means rice, 50 rupee kg. Doodh 45 rupee liter. Milk, doodh means milk. 1 liter milk is 45 rupee. So see the differences. 20 years before what was the price and now what is the price. Same thing you note it down in your notebook, okay, class work. Okay children, now we will read types of communication, okay. Types of communication. In your book it's written there, page number 66, okay. There are 2 types of communication. One, you can express your feelings, and second through electronics, okay. So here I have written जानकारी, भावनाएं, type of communication, okay. This thing is for knowledge, okay, public knowledge. This thing we are using, and this thing for communication with our feelings, okay. With our feelings we share our communication, okay. Radio, what is radio? Radio you can listen, song will come, news will come, so people can listen. Some message is coming through electronics, you can listen, you can entertain them yourself, or you can get some information. Vigyapan. Vigyapan also is the knowledge. Vigyapan means ad. In TV ad is coming, this product, that product, eat chocolate, Bonvita, or use this soap. So this is a knowledge type of communication. Someone is coming and showing you, okay? Or in newspaper you will see the ad. Notice. Notice also a type of message. Notice also a type of message. Sometime like your electricity bill will come, one print will be there, receipt will come in your door, some pamphlet they have put, they will stick there. So that is the giving message. TV, lot of things, all people are watching, lot of messages is coming in that, like song is there, movie is there, you can learn with something, news is there, and some educational activity is there, you can see. So only you are getting message from electronics. Fax. Someone want to send you some message, they will do you fax. One machine is there, they have sent from there and print will come to you. Internet. Through internet lot of information you can get it, okay? Anything you want to search, anything you want to read, through Google you can get it. Otherwise some other sites also is there. Istihar and Vigyapan both are same thing. In newspaper some ad is coming, that is like place is there, school admission is there, that all are called istihar. So this is electronics message, okay? You can communicate through electronics or machine. Now through feelings what you can do, okay? You want to share your message, any information through feelings. Abhinay, acting. People are doing acting. They are doing the acting and they are giving you the message. They are fighting, laughing. It is not in real life, but they are doing the acting. Okay. So through their acting, they are doing the. They are giving you a message. So through feelings, acting is there. There are no electronics usage. Only they are acting and you are getting the message. Like in school, you will do sometime mimicry. Okay. Nritya, dance. Classical dance is there. Through dance, you are getting some message. Dance only they are doing and you are understanding what they want to say. Sanket bhasaएं, like a dumb people, like you will show the thumb. You are showing the thumb means it's all right. Okay. You are shaking your hand means work has not done. So some symbol, some expression you are doing and people who is looking you, they can understand what you want to say. Like your finger you are keeping on your lips means keep silence. You didn't say anything, you didn't use any electronic thing, but through your feelings, through your activity, you have given the message. Sandesh. Sandesh means this is also a message through person to person. You want to share some message, you told to your friend, you are going there, say to him, he will pass the message. Phone. If you want to talk to someone, through phone you can talk, you call them and share your feelings. Mobile also, phone, telephone, mobile, tar, this is also a feelings. You can, through electronics, you can share your message. Okay children, so this is your all book exercise has finished. Today whatever I taught you, you have to note it down in your classwork because it is not in your book. So whatever I taught you, neatly write in your classwork, read proper. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.